SAWC 2021 in Las Vegas. It is back after a 2-year hiatus, and it is back in a big way with all the 1,300 clinicians here. The record, by the way, was 1,350, so people have come back. The energy here, the buzz is here. We've got some new people and new companies showing for the first time. You have Omeza, who's gone in a big way with their booth over here, and you have Vivex for the first time showing at a wound care conference. They've been in the biologic space for many years, but this is their first really focused wound care launch, and Arts Therapeutics, and many more that we're gonna launch and we're gonna highlight in this year's Buzz Report. Chris, I've heard a ton about Imbed here at SAWC. Tell me a little bit about the buzz. What is so cool here?
We're cool, Imbed is cool.
Okay.
We're new, I like new. So Imbed right now is a company that is just recently launched a new incarnation or surgical products, but we've been developed out of the wound care space. Product technology itself, an advanced technology, a nanofilm that contains antimicrobial silver, basically for advanced wound care, completely bioresorbable, and now again into the surgical space. So as HMP and SAWC evolves a little bit, we are too. We're even doing a panel luncheon tomorrow.
Cool.
Yeah, with about 100 people.
Awesome.
Excited.
Awesome. So cool nanotechnology, bioabsorbable with silver impregnated to really help that bioburden
You're
and
hired.
everything else.
Great pitch, you're hired.
Awesome.
So,
Thanks, Chris. I appreciate it.
Thank you.
This is actually our first conference ever as a company. We are just on the other side of FDA clearance, and so we are making obviously a big splash here at SAWC. We've been working really hard for a lot of years, and rather than taking a small booth on the side, we wanted everybody to really understand what we're bringing to the market. And what that is really addressing the gap in the 85% of patients who aren't getting treatment through any of the other dressings or available solutions here. So we're here to make ourselves known and to get to know the partners in the industry who are going to help us really change the course of the marketplace today.
Hello, welcome to SAWC. I'm here with the Spincare team, Claudia, Gary, and Mark. And I gotta say, this product is not yet in the US, it's not FDA cleared yet, but man, it's creating a lot of buzz. It's surely unique. Tell me a little bit about it, Mark.
Absolutely. So the Spincare product is a handheld, battery-operated application device that deposits a skin substitute matrix directly onto a wound. So it prints in situ in the clinic, and it provides not only a protective layer over the wound, but because it's a matrix, it also promotes the healing process. You know, a lot of the burns and superficial skin injuries, you know, these hard to treat places such as the hand, such as the face, such as knees, etc., legs, you know, it conforms to the body, it adheres to the wound and stays on until the wound is healed, and then it peels off.
Awesome. Well, good luck in regulatory pathways. Looking forward to seeing this in the US and the impact it's going to make on patients.
Absolutely. Thank you. Thank you.
Hello everyone, Kevin McCann. I am the Vice President of Sales for Reapplix. Today we're here at the Fall SAWC and we're celebrating our national coverage decision for Medicare for our 3C patch. The 3C patch is basically the body's own living cells. We draw the patient's blood and it's full of growth factors, platelets, neutrophils, everything the body needs to move through the various phases of healing, from inflammation to proliferation, all the way through to remodeling. So come by and see us and see the blood getting drawn and the patch getting made within 18 minutes. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Terry Norkey, the CEO and founder of Arts Therapeutics, a small biotech company based outside of Boston. We're here at the SAWC conference in Las Vegas rolling out our first product called AC5 Advanced Wound System. It is a peptide that when you apply it to a wound, whether it's a complicated acute surgical wound or a challenging chronic wound, it builds itself into a physical mechanical seal, stops a lot of the bad things that you would want to stop happening in that wound, yet it creates an environment that allows for normal healing. Thanks for listening. Bye-bye.
Hi, my name is Jeff Turner from Acera Surgical. We have an exciting new fully synthetic ECM called Restrada for wounds and soft tissue repair, fully biocompatible, resistant to enzymatic degradation, and it is used for a variety of different types of wounds and soft tissue repair. Hope you can check us out.